Dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Ganesh Shiksha. Here you will get the latest updates and most important question and answers of mathematics. Today I am here with you about the most difficult integration question and its solution which came earlier in JEE exam. So before to start, those who have not subscribed my channel, they can subscribe and hit the bell icon for upcoming latest updates. These question came earlier in IIT exam as well as in JEE exam, and which was become most difficult to the students to solve. So today I am showing you how to solve easily and its trick. So let's see the solution and you please see fully. Here you can see the question is given integration x square by x sin x plus cos x whole square dx. Now what will be the first step to solve this problem? You can see the denominator part. It has x sin x plus cos x whole square. If we take x sin x plus cos x as z, if we assume it, and if we take the differentiation of it, then what it will become? So let's see now. Let us suppose x sin x plus cos x equals to z. Therefore the differentiation of this, it is a multiplication form. So if we take the differentiation of x, then sin x remains. So sin x into differentiation of x gives 1 plus. Now x remain there and the differentiation of sin x gives cos x. Now the second part, cos x has the differentiation is minus sin x, so it will become minus sin x dx equals to dz. Okay, you can see here sin x and sin x both cancel. So what it remains? X cos x dx equals to dz. So we got x cos x dx equals to dz. Now comes to the question. You can see in the denominator is only x square, but we have got that x cos x dx. So that x cos x dx we need in the numerator part. So how to make that? So let's see. We are doing integration x by cos x into x cos x. We can write because cos x can cancel and then it will become x square, and whatever the denominator is, x sin x plus cos x whole square dx. Okay, so we got the form as x cos x by x sin x plus cos x whole square. Okay, now here we will apply integration by parts. We are taking this as a first function and this as a second function. Like UV form, you know that integration by parts is a UV form, and the formula you know that u integration v dx minus integration ddx of u, then again integration v dx, then whole dx. So that we will do. Here u is x by cos x, so it will remain there. So x by cos x, and after that the difference is the integration of the second function. Now you just comes here, you can see we have taken that x sin x plus cos x equals to z, then it gives x cos x dx equals to dz. So if suppose this part is z, then this becomes dz, so it is of the form dz by z square. So it will become the form of dz by z square, and you know that the integration of dz by z square gives minus 1 by z. Okay, so that z means this x sin x plus cos x, so that I am taking here. So minus 1 by x sin x plus cos x. Okay, so that comes to the first part. Now minus integration. Now ddx of u part, that is the first part is x by cos x, that is the division method. So do the division of the part of the function, that is the differentiation gives the denominator square, that is x cos square x. Now numerator will become denominator into differentiation of numerator. Differentiation of numerator x is 1, so that will give only cos x. Then minus. Now numerator remain fixed and the differentiation of the denominator. Cos x has the differentiation is minus sin x. So that minus and minus gives plus sin x. Okay, so that we got from the differentiation of u. Then integration of v dx, that integration we got here also, that is minus 1 by x sin x plus cos x. So that we are taking here minus 1 by x sin x plus cos x. Okay, after that dx. So that's the total part of the integration by parts. Okay, so now whatever is the first part that we are taking, so this minus 1 into x gives minus x, so that will become minus x by cos x into x sin x plus cos x. Okay, and the second part, here is minus and here also minus, so minus minus gives plus, and you can see this part and this part cancel, because you can see x sin x plus cos x, here is also x sin x plus cos x, so both the part can be cancelled. So what it remain, 1 by cos square x, and that will give sin sec square x, because it is of the reciprocal of cos square, so that will give integration sec square x dx. Okay, and you know the formula of the integration sec square x. What is the integration sec square x? Yes, you are correct, that is tan x. So that we are applying here. So this part remains same, cos x into x sin x plus cos x plus this part gives tan x. And after that, because it is of indefinite integral, so we can use the constant, integration constant as c. Okay, so it can be answered, but whenever you have the multiple choice question for this type of answer will not be given. It should have some simplified form. So let's see. So that is, the first part remains same as minus x by cos x into x sin x plus cos x, and this part can be sin x by cos x plus c. Okay, now you can see here is the simplification form of the two part. So we will take the LCM of the denominators, and you know the LCM of the denominator will be 1 cos x is common and x sin x plus cos x is there. So this whole part here, so it will give the same, that means minus x remain there, plus here is the cos x, so cos x eliminates, so this part will multiply with sin x, and what it will give, you can see it will give x sin square x plus sin x cos x plus c. Okay, so it will give as x sin square x plus sin x cos x. Okay, now if we take minus x as common from these first two part, then you can see minus x will become common, then it will be plus 1 and it will become minus sin square x, and you know 1 minus sin square gives cos square x. Very good. So that part we are taking here, that is minus x cos square x. From these two parts, minus x is common, then inside the bracket it will become 1 minus sin square, that will give cos square x. So minus x cos square x from this plus sin x cos x remain there, divided by cos x into x sin x plus cos x plus c. Okay, so if you see, if you take cos x from here, from the numerator, and that cos x will be cancelled with the denominator. So cos x part will be cancelled from the denominator and numerator. Then it remain as minus x cos x plus sin x by x sin x plus cos x plus c. You can get this type of option in the exam. Previously you got the answer here in this line. This is also an answer, but whenever you are having the multiple choice question, you will not get this type of answer there. You will get the option like this, whatever we have done at the end. Okay, so this is the total answer of this difficult integration that came in IIT JEE previously many times, and many of the students had the problem. So this is the way to solve this type of difficult integration in a simple way. Okay, now if you have any kind of problem in any type of maths question, then you can write in the comment box. Always give a comment. There I will make another video to for the solution of the upcoming exam, and that will be good for you. You will be benefited from it. So अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो you can like it and also share it. Also, you please comment in the comment box whether it is good, or if you need any improvement, or if you want more solutions of the difficult questions that you will put on. Then I will surely make another video of these all materials. Also you will see the description box, there also some part I will give it. Okay, so thank you.